Hello everyone, my topic is measures for protection of human rights in India. India is the biggest democratic country in the world. Being a democratic country, the main objective is the protection of basic rights of the people, human rights of the people, through constitutional priority, legislative measure, institutional mechanism, judicial interventions, and national commitments. India protects the human rights of the people. First one, constitutional measures. Indian Constitution is the cornerstone of the human rights protection, offering several safeguards to protect the human rights of the people. First, fundamental rights from Article 14 to 32, that is right to liberty, right to life, right against exploitation, protection from exploitation, all comes under fundamental rights. And the second one, directive principles of state policy from Article 36 to 51, deals about to promote social justice, welfare and equitable growth. And third one is right to constitutional remedies. This article empowers individuals to approach the courts directly for any issues about rights. And the second one is legislative measure. Under the legislative measure, protection of human rights act, law for vulnerable groups, law, labor protection law, right based law. First one, protection of human rights act. Under this category, human rights act established national and state level human rights commission. And the second thing, human rights courts established at district level. And third one, right to life, right liberty, right to equality, right to dignity are defined in human rights. And the second one, laws for vulnerable groups, protection sorry prevention of atrocities of SC and ST, and the Domestic Violence Act and the POCSO, Prevention of Child from Sexual Abuses Act, also comes under laws for vulnerable groups. Third one, Labor Protection Law, abolition of bonded labor system, Minimum Wages Act, all comes under Labor Protection Law. And the right based laws, that is Right to Information Act and Right to Education Act, comes under right based law. And the third one, institutional mechanism, National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission, and other commissions also have comes under institutional mechanism. National Human Rights Commission comes under the section 12 in the Indian Constitution. It is inquiry based into complaints violation of human rights. That is, if any violations happens, we can approach the National Human Rights Commission. And the second one, negligence in the prevention of violation by public servant. The third one, review provision of a constitution that safeguard human rights. The third one, human rights awareness and literacy created by National Human Rights Commission. And the judicial safeguard. Under these category, public interest litigation, judicial activism, fast track courts. Public interest litigation means we can approach it is a legal process that allows individual or groups to raise human rights issues in court. Judicial activism, it expands the interpretation of rights to include privacy, clean environment, and health, comes under judicial activism. Fast track courts is specialized courts that are designed to quickly dispense justice in cases involving heinous crimes, sexual offences, and crimes against women and children. And final one, awareness and advocacy. In this, each and everyone awareness about human rights education. What are the basic rights for human given by the government, and how to uphold it. And the role of NGOs and media plays a major role in to create awareness and advocacy. And the final one is international commitment. India does Universal Declaration, Human Rights Commission, International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, Convention on the Rights of the Child. These are comes under international commitments. And the special measurements for marginalized groups is reservation policies for employment, education, and political. These comes under reservation policy. And welfare schemes, nothing but padai, save girl child and educate girl child, beti bacho beti pado அப்படி that comes under the welfare schemes. And the midday meal schemes for school children comes under welfare special measures. And the final, India's commitment to protect the human rights is evident through constitution framework, comprehensive legislation, institutional mechanism, and proactive of the judiciary is implemented, is important for the protection of human rights in India. These are all the measures taken by the Indian government to protect human rights. Thank you.